Welcome everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today's look is inspired by Harshita Vijay, which appeared in the song Lamborghini. So it was such a dewy as well as simple look, so I thought why not to recreate it. So for creating this look, I'm first starting to prep my skin with DIY Primer Plus Setting Spray. You can get the link in the description box. I made a video on it. Next, I am moisturizing my face using Biotique Face Cream. It's a very thick moisturizer, very good for dry skin. I'm also prepping my lips using a lip balm from Maybelline Baby Lips. Next I'm using a Photo Focus primer from Wet n Wild. It's a dewy primer for the natural glow, and then I'm using foundation from Wet n Wild and first dotting that to my face and then spreading with fingers and then using a brush to buff in my skin. That will give me more coverage, as you can see. After that, I would be concealing my dark circles using Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown, and then using my fingers to blend it all over my eyelid, and then setting it with Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact in the shade Shell using a brush. And then hiding all my acne marks, I will be using concealer from Wet n Wild and focusing on the area where I am having acne and let it sit for 5 minutes. Till then I will complete my eyebrows. So I am using a shade from Maybelline the Nudes palette. So I am starting with the tail of my eyebrow and then going slowly to the front. I am mostly filling the sparse areas and then combing it with the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Same with the next eyebrow. So I don't think purchasing a eyebrow product and wasting money on it is an option. You can go for any shade that is available in your palette. Then I'll be dabbing all the concealer in the place using my fingers, so you can see how well it hides all my hickeys. Next for blush, I'll be using this Broadway red shade in Baby Lips, and it is such a natural looking blush and it also gives me that dewiness look on my face, as you can see. Then setting my face using the same compact, I am lightly dusting all over my face so that the dewiness will not go away. Now to contour my face, I'll be using the Sivana Ultra Blush palette and taking the bronzer shade. I'll be contouring my nose. I'm using a flat shader brush to contour my nose. Then using a larger brush for contouring all over my face. Now taking the highlighter from the same palette, I'll be highlighting my inner corners and nose. Then I'll be using a brush to highlight my face. So first I'm using a brush and then using my fingers to dab it, so it will not look flaky on my skin and get absorbed to my skin very well. I'm setting my face using that dewy primer because I think this gives more dewy finish to the skin, and absorbing excess with the help of a beauty blender. I think she didn't apply any mascara, but her lashes were curled, so I'm curling my lashes. And then with the hairs, I'm parting my hairs into two, and I mostly use the comb, wooden comb. You can get this on Nykaa, and then using aloe vera gel, I will be settling my flying hairs because this is a great option to go if you don't want to use chemical hairspray. This will work same by setting your hairs into place. And then I'm making the same hairstyle as she, though I'm not good at that good in the hairstyle. And then for the lips, I'm using lipstick from Beauty People. in the shade 404. You can get this lipstick in the site name as orange something. I will provide the link in the description box. If you like this look, please take a moment to subscribe. This means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and comment my channel.